Hi, Raven. What are you doing right now? Are you teaching baby Bug how to play? Yeah, you're teaching him how to play? You eating baby food? Oh, that kind of scared him. Are you helping him? Are you helping the baby? Or are you scaring him?
Scaring him.
You scaring him? Do you love your baby brother? Do you love your baby brother?
Not yet.
No? A little bit?
Not yet.
I thought you liked him a little bit. Do you like him a little bit? Do you want to give him a little baby kiss?
No.
You want to pretend you're a baby?
Mm-hmm.
You want to cry like a baby? Okay, cry like a baby. Yeah.
Wow.
Here, let's see. Cry like a baby. You got anything to say, Mr. Nico? You cry like a baby?
Mr. Mom.
Is your baby your best friend?
Mister.
Is your baby your best friend? Who's your best friend?
Mister.
Who's your best friend? Prince Naveen, how are you doing?
Mister.
Prince Naveen.
Jennifer.
Hello, baby.
Hey, Mr. Jennifer.
Hello, baby. What do you think?
Mr. Jennifer. Hey, Mr. Jennifer.
Mr. Jennifer? I'm so glad you two can share this time together.
Mr. Jen. Jenny.
Yeah?
That's your name, Jenny.
Is that my name? What's your name?
Nobody's my
I thought you're a frog. Are you really playing in a baby toy here? Let's just get some view here.
I don't need my baby anymore.
Oh, do you want me to take him?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to give him a kiss goodbye so I can take him?
Goodbye.
You know, give him a kiss, I'll take him away.
No.
Give him a
Take
kissy.
him away with Frolic.
Oh, kiss him, I'll take him. Otherwise I'm leaving him, it's his toy. There you go, that'll do. Okay, bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye.